Hi guys, I've been wanting to make a video like this for quite a while, so let's get started. This is the Earth, or it's a representation of the Earth. Let's zoom in and see what happens. Oh my god, look at that! We've got a flat surface here. This is all flat, but the Earth is round. How come this is flat? Let's say this is the horizon. So we're looking at the horizon this way. Look at that, it looks flat. Wow, isn't that cool? I'm just going to put a little dot here. Sorry, my pixels here, my paint program is not very accurate. I cannot make smaller dots, so this is obviously 2 pixels. Let's pretend this is little old me standing right here. You have to keep in mind this is not in scale, because if I were to zoom out, you can see the huge curvature here of the Earth here, and you can still see me, and that is not true scale. If it was true scale, you would never even be able to see me because I'm such a tiny person. Anyways, point being, airplane. An airplane is flying along here. Again, excuse my pixels here. It should just be one solid black line. The airplane is flying, and the airplane again is also not to scale. This is way too big to be an airplane. However, if this is 33,000 feet, no matter where you are in the airplane, you look forward, backward, left, right, you see a flat horizon. Why? Because the Earth is so big. 40,000 kilometer circumference. If you take 40,000 kilometers and you divide that by 360 degrees, you get 111 kilometers. That means for every 111 kilometers that you travel 1 degree of the Earth's rotation. From Los Angeles, let me zoom out a little bit. From LA to New York, it's 4,000 some odd kilometers. That's 40 degrees of Earth rotation. And yes, within 40 degrees, you are traveling along the curvature of the Earth. So again, this is very simple. The reason everything looks so flat to us humans is because we are so tiny. The Earth is so large. If this is 33,000 feet, the International Space Station is 1.3 million feet from the Earth. That's 40 times the distance of a jetliner flying at 33,000 feet. So if we take this distance and we go 40 times that, I don't even think I have enough room here. So this is, let's say about 40 here. This could be 40 right here. So that little dot, I'm just going to zoom in on it. That little dot right there is the space station. It's all, I'm tongue-tied here. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger so that it's easier to reference. Going to zoom back out. So there we go. And the reason that the International Space Station cannot take one picture of the whole Earth, or the side of the Earth that is visible, is because of the sheer size. And that's why, as the Earth rotates, the space shuttle takes picture after picture after picture, and then it all gets stitched together. Okay, I hope I cleared this up for some of you guys. It's 2019. Get with it.